Catalonia and Barcelona are known for their creativity, their cultural richness, and especially for their architecture. It is a fundamental part of their culture and of their international reputation. Thanks to some exceptional schools of architecture, Catalan architects know how to bring together tradition and innovation, technical rigor and artistic expression. We are now going to meet the 3 architect partners from the Catalan studio ARCHICUBIK of Barcelona. This is a multi-award-winning studio sought after by graduates as a place of learning, debate, diversity, respect and exchange of ideas.
For us, what we define our architecture is what we call a relational building.
They are Miquel Lacasta, Marc Chalamanc and Carmen Santana, 3 Catalan architects that, among other awards and honours, have won the Possible Future Award in Paris in 2014 for their Zac Rouget de Lille project. Also the Parking Saint-Roch de Montpellier competition, again in France. And they also received an award for the Sunyon School in Barcelona in Catalonia.
In ARCHICUBIK we work when we call complex projects. Doing so, we used to work in a metropolitan scale. We work for the urban scale and also on a human scale at the same time. We are trying to elaborate a relational disposition of projects, concepts, innovation, ideas that finally becomes a specific tool on a specific scale, that is the scale 1 to heart. That is the scale of the common, the scale of everyone. We have been working for the last 20 years, so it's time enough for understand one to each other and to put in the same project the different sensibilities. We prefer to understand that we are inspiring all the time from different parts, from cinema, TV program, or I don't know, relating an history to our kids. There are some projects that are important from the size and some others because there are some specific things in terms of typology. For example, at the beginning was Flex House. It was a very experimental space based on flexibility. Less than a tower, this is the building that we are right now, and is maybe the first time that we interrelate the relation between public space and private space. Sunyon School, because it's an educational building, and it's very important, the transparency in that case. Maybe our singularity is based on our approach, our intellectual approach, our social approach, and our technical approach in the projects. For achieve that approach, we love to talk about the organoleptic city. That city that could be perceived in terms of sensitive, in terms of how it smells, not only how it looks. So it's trying to understand that the city is something complete and something complex at the same time.
Today, its architecture has become a symbol of modernity, progress, imagination and prestige. Catalan designers like these present their creations to the whole world.